We've got the Bovisky 10-piece Lockout Tagout locks. So these are going to be amazing for if you have like maybe like some sort of at your job or whatever, you have some sort of like circuit breaker or some sort of energy source that you don't want just anybody to be able to get to. You want, people need to know, like, keep away from this. So it's a very durable lock. It's a very durable lock. I'm pulling on it, and you can't open it. But so it's very clearly danger here, but then you've also put this on, and this is even more clear danger. So on the tags, you can fill this out on that side and this side to let people know some extra info, name, time, department, expected completion, as well as on the back it says, this energy source has been locked out. Unauthorized removal of this lock/tag may result in immediate discharge. And you can write whatever you want there. So it just lets people know, stay away from this, don't touch, leave this to someone else. And so it comes with each lock. There's 10 locks. They come with 2 keys. There's 1 key, and then there's also the spare key. And they're the same, but I'm just going to show you. Slip it in. It's got this nice grip on the sides here. Comes right undone. You can come in here and, hold on, slip it right through there, and then slip it over whatever circuit breaker or whatever you have, and then just close it right up. And so the amazing thing about that, so you got that. Here's another lock, and as you can see, this key does not work for that lock. So each lock has its own set of keys. So that's amazing. And you're looking for these Lockout Tagout locks. These are the ones. Stop looking around. Highly recommend these.